Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 52. The factor of production that controls other factors is referred to as A. Capital, B. Entrepreneur, C. Jobber, D. Labor, E. Marketer. So we're looking at various factors of production and we're looking for the one which controls other factors. So what is that factor known as? Now, capital refers to the man-made assets used in production, and most times when referring to capital, we are looking at the financial assets used in production. Now, option B, which is entrepreneur, is the factor of production that coordinates and organizes other factors of production in order to produce goods and services. Option C, which is jobber, is not a factor of production. Jobber is a term used in stock exchange for the direct dealer in securities. So it's a stock exchange terminology. Now D, which is labor, is a factor of production which covers all forms of human effort put into or utilized in production. And then lastly, E, marketer, is not a factor of production. The term marketer is not a factor of production. So as we have rightly seen here, option B, which is the entrepreneur, is the factor of production that is concerned with coordinating or controlling and organizing all the other factors of production in order to produce goods and services. So that matches the definition given to us in the question. Correct answer is B, entrepreneur. Thank you, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.